Welcome to Cherry Blossom Channel. Mahir berbahasa Inggris bagi pemula. Bagian yang ketujuh. Bagi yang suka dengan konten saya, please subscribe dan like ya. Jangan lupa, saya tunggu. Semoga konten saya bermanfaat bagi kalian. Oke, let's get started. These flowers smell good. These flowers smell good. Bunga-bunga ini harum. I introduce myself to the new teacher. I introduce myself to the new teacher. Saya memperkenalkan diri kepada guru baru. You coming with me. You coming with me. Kamu ikut denganku. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Maukah kamu menikah denganku? I'm looking for a job that suits my qualifications. I'm looking for a job that suits my qualifications. Saya sedang mencari pekerjaan yang sesuai dengan kualifikasi saya. Please try again in a few minutes. Please try again in a few minutes. Silakan coba lagi dalam beberapa menit. Better late than never. Better late than never. Lebih baik terlambat daripada tidak sama sekali. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Bersakit-sakit dahulu, bersenang-senang kemudian. I like spicy food. I like spicy food. Saya suka makanan pedas. I like cold drinks. I like cold drinks. Saya suka minuman dingin. Most of that furniture is uncomfortable. Most of that furniture is uncomfortable. Sebagian besar perabot rumah itu tidak nyaman. Are you finished? Are you finished? Apa kamu sudah selesai? Not yet. Not yet. Belum. I need a few more minutes. I need a few more minutes. Saya perlu beberapa menit lagi. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. Saya butuh sedikit banyak waktu. Most people need 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Most people need 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Kebanyakan orang membutuhkan 6-8 jam tidur setiap malam. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat 3 meals a day. Saya makan 3 kali sehari. Which one? Which one? Yang mana? This green one or that red one? This green one or that red one? Yang hijau ini atau yang merah itu? You have to wear a seat belt. You have to wear a seat belt. Kamu harus memakai sabuk pengaman. Do you want to have dinner with us? Do you want to have dinner with us? Apakah kamu ingin makan malam dengan kami? We are taking a short break. We are taking a short break. Kami sedang istirahat sejenak. You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast. Anda mengemudi terlalu cepat. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? Bolehkah saya melihat paspor Anda? I'm going to have holiday in New Zealand. I am going to have holiday in New Zealand. Saya akan berlibur di New Zealand. I think the traffic will be crowded tonight. I think the traffic will be crowded tonight. Saya pikir lalu lintas akan padat malam ini. I regret to tell you that you failed the test. I regret to tell you that you failed the test. Saya menyesal memberitahu Anda bahwa Anda gagal dalam ujian. This is none of my business. This is none of my business. Ini bukan urusan saya. I got my bachelor's degree in architecture. I got my bachelor's degree in architecture. Saya mendapat gelar sarjana di bidang arsitektur. I'm not accustomed to living in Sweden. I'm not accustomed to living in Sweden. Saya tidak terbiasa tinggal di Swedia. I prefer to stay home than to go to the concert. I prefer to stay home than to go to the concert. Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah daripada pergi ke konser. Jessica decided to quit her present job and to look for another one. Jessica decided to quit her present job and to look for another one. Jessica memutuskan untuk berhenti dari pekerjaannya sekarang dan mencari pekerjaan yang lain. I am on my way. I am on my way. Saya dalam perjalanan. This medicine is harmful. This medicine is harmful. Obat ini berbahaya. We inviting everyone to the party. We inviting everyone to the party. Kami mengundang semua orang ke pesta. My laptop is broken. My laptop is broken. Laptop saya rusak. I'm at work. I'm at work. Saya sedang bekerja. Patrick wants to be an engineer when he grows up. Patrick wants to be an engineer when he grows up. Patrick ingin menjadi insinyur saat dia besar nanti. Kimchi is a traditional Korean food. Kimchi is a traditional Korean food. Kimchi adalah makanan tradisional Korea. Kimchi is a type of fermented pickled vegetables with spicy seasoning. Kimchi is a type of fermented pickled vegetables with spicy seasoning. Kimchi adalah jenis asinan sayur hasil fermentasi yang diberi bumbu pedas. We can afford to buy a new car. We can afford to buy a new car. Kami tidak mampu membeli mobil baru. I can't bear to hear her cry. I can't bear to hear her cry. Saya tidak tahan mendengar dia menangis. I'll come early if you want. I'll come early if you want. Saya akan datang lebih awal jika kamu mau. She will stay in London if she gets a job. She will stay in London if she gets a job. Dia akan tinggal di London jika dia mendapat pekerjaan. How long does the flight take? How long does the flight take? Berapa lama penerbangannya? He misses playing with his friends. He misses playing with his friends. Dia rindu bermain dengan teman-temannya. I don't fancy going out tonight. I don't fancy going out tonight. Saya tidak suka keluar malam ini. If the weather doesn't improve, we won't have a picnic. If the weather doesn't improve, we won't have a picnic. Apabila cuaca tidak membaik, kami tidak akan piknik. We can leave as soon as you get dressed. We can leave as soon as you get dressed. Kita dapat pergi segera setelah kamu berpakaian. Please turn down the TV. Please turn down the TV. Tolong matikan TV-nya. I prefer to drive than take a plane. I prefer to drive than take a plane. Saya lebih suka mengemudi daripada naik pesawat. You can have either tea or coffee. You can have either tea or coffee. Anda bisa minum teh atau kopi. Thanks for watching. I hope my content is useful for you. Bye-bye.